Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to make money with Canva and Amazon. So here, the first thing that we should do is to log into our Canva account. Okay, and then on the other tab, I'm just going to log into my Amazon account as well. Okay, and then if we can see this option at the top, we have the influencers and associates site Stripe and the get linked option. So if you just created your Amazon account, you cannot find this section. Now, in order for you to sign up for the Amazon affiliate account, you have to open a new tab. Okay, and then you have to search for the Amazon affiliate program. Okay, and then you have this first website, so make sure to click on it. That's right. And then just wait for a couple of seconds. So before you can see your dashboard right here, you have to sign up for an account. So just follow the very simple steps. And after that, you will have your dashboard right here. Okay, and then just make sure that the Amazon account that you are using when signing up for the Amazon Associate is the same account when you log in to your Amazon account right here. And then after that, you would be able to see this get linked option and the influencers and associate sites, right? So now you are ready to find products that you can use. And then we are going to use that product to sell here on our Canva website. Okay, so here on Amazon, we just have to select random product that we can use. Okay, so we can also use the search bar at the top, for example, chair, or just going to focus on makeup. Okay, and then I just have to click on enter after that. Now here you have the available makes apps. So now you have the available makeup that you can sell. So you just have to click on it. Okay, so right here at the top you have this get linked option, right? So you just have to click on it. Then you have the short link and the full link. Just have to copy this one. So you just need an image for this product. So I'm just going to save this image. After that, let's go back now to Canva. So right here, you just have to use the search bar and then search for product website. So here on Canva, we're just going to use templates for our website. Okay, so for example, this one. Okay, so you just have to click on it and then click on the customize this template. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds and then you have this details now. Then after that, you're now ready to customize this template. So now you can start customizing this product. Okay, so you just have to change the elements that you need to change. Now, if you want to create a new page, you just have to click on this section. So for example, we're just going to focus on adding here images, the length of the product, and then the buttons. Okay, so let's start by uploading the image. Okay, so click on the upload files and then upload here the image of your product. Just going to click on this one. Okay, you can also use frame for your images. So let's go to the frame section. Okay, so I'm just going to use this frame. Okay, and then go to the upload section and you just have to put here the product. Now I just have to add here text. Okay, so you can add a subheading, go back to Amazon, and then you just have to copy the name of this product. Just go back here. That's right, and then you just have to paste this section. Okay, so for the alignment, I want this to be like that. So I'm just going to change it. That's right. And then you just have to resize this section. Okay, so for example, like this. Now the next thing that you are going to do is to add here now the button. Okay, so here on the element section, for example, you are looking for a button section, button link. Okay, so you have this options right here. So we are going to use this one. Okay, so after that, you can change the color of this button. I'm just going to change this to white, Then the next thing that I'm going to do is to add here now a text. For example, buy here or buy now. So it depends on your preference. Okay, so I'm just going to resize this one and then put it right here. Okay, and then I just have to change the color of this section. Okay, so let me just resize this right here. We have to place it at the center. Okay, so after that, you just have to click on it. So you have this link icon. Okay, so you just have to simply click on it, and then we have to paste here the link. Okay, so let's go back to Amazon and then get the short link of this product once again. So copy, go back right here, and then I just have to paste this one and then click on done. Okay, after that, just have to click on done, and then we have to remove the underline. That's right. So you can group this section. That's right. Okay, so this one already has its link. Okay, and then you can add more images if you want to. For example, let's go here to the element section, and then I'm just going to use this frame. Okay, so let me just select the frame that I am going to use. For example, this one. So let's go back to Amazon and buy some related image for this product. Okay, for example, this one. So I'm just going to download this image as well. So click on the save image. You just have to click on save. So let's get this one as well. Okay, so save it, and then this one. Now go back to Canva, and then we are going to paste here now or upload our images. So I'm just going to select all three of them. That's right, and then click on open. So here I'm going to upload this one at the center, then this one right here, and then this one right here. Okay, so after that, you just have to click on publish website. So let's just preview this section. Okay, so when someone clicked on your page 2, so you have here now your product. So when they clicked on the buy now option, they would be directed to Amazon website. So when they purchase this product, you will be able to get your commission because you have your Amazon associate site Stripe or the Amazon affiliate account. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.